witches out there. Today we're going to be unboxing the August Accio box. But before we get into the video, like, subscribe, hit the notification button so you never miss another video, and go follow my Instagram. So let's get right on into the video.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM.
Okay, so let's open it right up. So we have yellow tissue paper. Let's see what's first. This is what I see first. Oh, this is really cute. So it's a Hufflepuff like thing that you would hang on your wall, like that. Yeah. That's really pretty. And it's really full of all like yellow, and it says just and loyal. And yeah. Let's open, let's see, this. Okay. So this is a straw comes with it. This is a 1994 World Cup, Ireland versus Bulgaria. Little things in it. It's a really cool cup. So yeah, it's a really cool cup. And then here is the straw that goes with it. Is there a top? Yes, there is a top. It just came off. Nice. That's a really cute cup. Alright, what is next? Okay, I see this white box. Okay. Okay, let's see. These are really cool. So it looks like these are like magnets. Wow, so these are really cool. And they come with 4. Yeah. Okay, so what is next? Okay. Oh my gosh. Let me get it unwrapped and I'll come right back. Now let's get it open. And this is really cool. It's like to hang bags or like keys, and it's Hogwart. It's really cool. I could really use this in my room. And you could hang like keys or bags or even jewelry on it. It's really cool. It's like hard metal. Yeah, it's really cool. It's like pointy to the top. Okay, what is next? I think this is the last thing. Oh, it's a pillowcase. So you can put like a small pillow that you have in here, and it has all kinds of spells on it. It's really cool. It's really basic but really nice. There's all the different kinds of spells. Okay, so now let's look what we got all together in this book. So first we have a magical record coaster set. I thought they were magnets, but I guess they're coasters too. And then we have magical castle metal wall hooks. Then we have house themed banner. Then we have the magical spells canvas pillow cover, and the 1994 World Cup cup. And yes. And then the house banner I got in my house. And I thought that the magical was a magnet, because I thought it worked as a magnet too. But I guess it's a coaster and a magnet. So yeah, bye wizards and witches.